Today I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive map on Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to help visitors find your business location or display any area of interest directly on your website, making navigation smoother and more engaging for your audience. First, you'll want to head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all the websites you've created. From here, simply click on the website where you want to add the interactive map. This takes you into the back end of your chosen site. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu with several options. Click on Website, and underneath that option, select Pages. This section displays all the pages you've built for your site, whether it's your home page, an About page, or a Contact page. Browse through and click on the specific page where you'd like the interactive map to appear. Once you've selected it, click the Edit button to open the page editor. Now you're in the page editing mode. Navigate to the section where you want the map to be placed. Click on Add Block, which opens a menu of different content blocks you can insert from this menu. Select Embed. The Embed block is essential here because it allows you to integrate external content like a Google Map seamlessly into your Squarespace page. Next, open a new tab and go to Google Maps. In the search bar, type in your business location or any location you want to feature on your website. Once you've found the correct spot on the map, click on it to bring up more details. You'll then see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up will appear with different sharing options. From these, select Embed a Map. This generates an HTML code specifically designed for embedding the map onto websites. You'll now see the HTML code displayed. Click Copy HTML to copy it to your clipboard. This code is what Squarespace will use to display the interactive map on your site. Head back to your Squarespace tab. On the Embed block you added earlier, you'll notice a small pencil icon. Click on that icon to open the editing options. From the menu that appears, select Code Snippet and then click on Embed Data. This is where you'll paste the HTML code you just copied from Google Maps. Simply paste the code into the provided field. Once the code is pasted, click Save to apply the changes. After saving, click Exit to leave the editing mode and return to your main page view. And there you have it, your interactive map is now live on your Squarespace page, ready for visitors to interact with and easily locate your business or featured area. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.